नमस्ते बच्चों, आई एम जेवियन डॉक्टर सुरेंद्र कुमार श्रीवास्तव from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss the Clairaut's equation. A differential equation is of the form y is equal to xp plus f of p. This is equation first. Is known as Clairaut's form. For solving the above equation, put p is equal to c, and if the given equation is not in Clairaut's form, then first convert in the standard form, then put p is equal to c and find the answer. For the question, solve y is equal to px minus 1 upon p square. The given equation is of Clairaut's form, hence replace p by c, where c is arbitrary constant. Then required solution is y is equal to cx minus 1 upon c square. Now the equation, solve d2y dy over dx to the whole of square, x square minus a square minus 2 dy over dx xy is plus y square minus b square is equal to 0. For the solution, putting dy over dx is equal to p, then the given equation can be written as p square in bracket x square minus a square plus minus 2pxy plus y square minus b square is equal to 0. Again this can be written as y square minus 2pxy plus p square x square is equal to a square p square plus b square. Again this can be written as y minus px to the whole of square is equal to a square p square plus b square. This is y is equal to px plus minus root a square p square plus b square. This equation is of Clairaut's form, hence replacing p by c, where c is an arbitrary constant, then required solution is y is equal to cx plus minus root a square c square plus b square. Now the next question, solve sine of y minus px is equal to p. For the solution, the given equation is sine of y minus px is equal to p. This is equation first. This can also be written as y minus px is equal to sine inverse p. This is y is equal to px plus sine inverse p. This equation is of Clairaut form. Then putting p is equal to c, then y is equal to cx plus sine inverse c. Now equations reducible to the Clairaut's form. For the remark, if y square plus pxy plus f of py upon x, then we put x square is equal to v u and y square is equal to v, then solve as usual. For the question, solve x square in bracket y minus px is equal to yp square. Now dividing by x square, the given equation can be written as y is equal to px plus yp square upon x square. Now multiplying by y, this is y square is equal to ypx plus y square p square upon x square. This is y square is equal to pyx plus py upon x to the whole of square. This is equation first. The equation is of the form y square is equal to pxy plus f of py upon x square. Now put x square is equal to u, comma y square is equal to v. This is 2x dx is equal to du and 2y dy is equal to dv. Then 2y dy upon 2x dx is equal to dv upon du, or p is equal to x upon y into dv over du, or p is equal to u to the power half upon v to the power half into p, where p is equal to dv upon du. Using the values x, y and p in terms of u, v and p in equation first reduces to v is equal to root u upon root v into p u to the power half into v to the power half plus u to the power 1 by 2 upon v to the power 1 by 2 p into v to the power half into u to the power half to the whole of square. This can be written as v is equal to up plus p square. This equation is of the Clairaut form, hence the general solution is v is equal to uc plus c square. Now put the value of u and v, then this will be y square is equal to cx square plus c square. Thank you.